This problem asks us to factor the polynomial f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6, but they give us an extra piece of information. They tell us that x equals 2 is a 0. So in this cubic, we already know one of the zeros, namely 2. So in order to start the problem, let's divide by the factor x minus 2 using that 2, 0. So I'm going to use synthetic division here. How many times does 2 go into 1, 2, negative 5, negative 6, and of course that carries down to a 1. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and then negative 5 plus 8 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and that leaves us with a remainder of 0, just like we expected. So what do these numbers mean? They mean that our polynomial x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 factors into, well, the x minus 2 factor, which was what we were given, and then these leftover numbers provide the polynomial x squared plus 4x plus 3. Okay, so are we done yet? Well, not technically, because we can factor that leftover quadratic a little bit further, right? Because what two numbers do we know and love that multiply to be 3 and add up to be 4? That would be x plus 1, x plus 3, because 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So the final factoring over the real numbers would be x minus 2, which we were given, x plus 1, and x plus 3.